what's up? We are at SeaWorld Orlando. We're gonna go check and see what's the newest with Penguin Trek and a general park update. Let's go inside. So in other news, the parking area in the middle has got a major improvement here, and it's going in a different direction, it looks like. Not too much of a wait to get inside, but side note, it is tour group season, so yeah, here we go. Over in the front retail store, we got these cool little hoodies, followed by these chamoolies and these other orange hoodies. Shirts, green and kind of a vanilla color. And then these blue crew neck sweatshirts. Currently the Christmas store is being transformed into just a regular retail store. Time for some Penguin Trek. Let's see what's going on over here. The Sky Tower is open, so let's go ahead and take a ride.
Support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing.
Is it pretty high? Pretty cool, huh?
That ugly one. Oh, the cool looking one. What's that?
Oh, they're building a roller coaster.
Finally, the pathway is open again. Woohoo! So the pathway is still open over here with the crane, but we are so close, like so close. I'm about to bring over some track pieces. But yeah, we are so close. Over at Journey to Atlantis, looks like the water is drained for some annual maintenance. I just noticed around the park we have some new banners, so they're mentioning be among the first to ride Penguin Trek coming spring 2024. We have another wall of walls down over by Antarctica, so now the whole section is closed. However, don't fret, you still can view your penguins, just gotta go a separate way. So we have sea lions to the left and penguins to the right. So right now they can only view the penguins through the glass area. They don't have the full penguin area open, so interesting. And we're over by our friends the sea lions. Let's see what's going on with them today.
My name is Ben. I'm one of the trainers out here at SeaWorld Orlando Stadium as well as at Pacific Point Reserve. Standing over by the orange feeder booth with the blue SeaWorld rescue shirt. You've got. People also always ask us, how do we tell our animals apart from one another? There's a few distinct ways. Just run them over the participants that are treated. Essentially.
Flippy and Mika are going to be here this weekend at the park. So yeah, reservations were open, but last I checked they were sold out. So if you got some, good for you. It should be exciting time for the park. Another thing to note, the Seven Seas Food Festival is coming up. It's coming up on February the 2nd, and they have a booth already set up here, the Irish Market. Over at the entrance to the Orca Stadium by the pizza place, they extended the wall out a little bit further. 45-minute wait on Icebreaker, although it doesn't really look like a 45-minute, but eh. Looks like they're starting to set up for the Seven Seas Food Festival. I saw some names on there like Ludacris, Who Was Staying, Gloria Gaynor, and then a few other ones, and I think we might have a few that are unannounced also. So, forget about Penguin Trek. I know this is the best part of the video, and the reason why you guys always watch is the pink chickens. Their chicken and their pinkening is the pink chickens. Well, that's gonna do it from SeaWorld Orlando for a Penguin Trek / General Park update. We gotta see the construction, what's going on there. Looks like they're still busy working. However, looks like the track is so close to being complete. Looks like we have some new banners up around the park. The pathway is reopened again over by Manta. We also see that the Seven Seas Food Festival is starting to be up in action there. The booths are being set up, as well as the concert lineup has been announced, well, at least partially. And also, the Orca Stadium is still under the renovation there. But other than that, we will be back to see what else is going on. So if you like what we do, guys, follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!